Hello everyone. I'm just want to share to you how I install my rear fog lamp of my Mitsubishi Montero GLS. This one because my unit is not programmed for this, so I manually installed the switch. I bought this online and I put some modification in the fuse box here because this fog lamp switch is unusable only for 2018 and up models. You can use this fog lamp switch at the back, but 2016 is not programmed for this switch, so I installed excuse me, switch. I bought this online. I installed the wirings and the relay inside the fuse box, which I will show you. First, you have to open this panel cover. You have to remove these screws, one, two, and the rest are clips. You just need to pull it out. So guys, I already removed the two screws from these holes. So now we will pull out this panel cover just like this. Just easy, so you'll not break anything, especially the clips. That, and on the other side, just pull out easily. Okay. Now you can see the wirings inside. Before you totally take it out, just unlock all the wirings. These clips for easy maneuvers. It's very tight. You need to unclip these two wire harnesses. So I already managed to open the panel. So I unlock four wire harnesses. One, two, three. This is for the window control, side mirrors. This is the security light. And this is the park sensor. So this is the one I installed. This is the rear fog lamp switch. So I bought this online. This is very easy to install. This is just clip. This is the one. I trim this one on the sides so that it will easily fit in this socket because it's a bit different size. This one here. Okay. So to install this one, just need to insert it just like this and push it through, and you will hear a click. That's the indication of lock. Here, the next one is install the wirings of that fog lamp switch. This is the one, fog lamp switch wiring. So the connection for this one, it got 4 wires. um, the blue one, let's first show you the blue one. The blue one is for the sorry, I forgot to mention, I installed also a relay switch because uh, there's nothing here for the rear fog lamp. There's no relay here. Also, I installed a fuse, a 10 amp fuse for safety purposes. So now I'm gonna explain the wirings of this switch. So again, this is for the rear fog lamp switch. It comes with a 4 color wire codes and have different functions. So this white wire, I connect this to the accessories light. That means when if you switch on the accessories, like this one push, it will be accessories. And then if you switch on this one click, the park light indicates and switch on. The purpose of that, uh, to tap this white wire to the accessories, so that this switch will be lighted, only lighted if the accessories is switched on. So this will become orange like that, or yellow. And the red wire, this red wire, I tap this to the brake light power or brake light source, so you will have a power source. The blue one, this is connected to the relay, and the black one is the negative. So I tap this to the body of the car, which is somewhere here. Sorry, it's too dark. So this is just the metallic body of the car screwed. So that's a black wire, it's negative. Okay, so now I'm gonna explain to you the wirings of the relay. So the relay have 5 pins, so I use only 4. So this is green one, I tap to the battery or the main source, directly to the battery source. This is this big red wire, this is the battery source. So the green wire from the relay is tapped to the battery source. This is tapped to this red one, and to this big red wire, the battery source. So this is this black one. So this is from the switch, the relay switch, to the blue relay switch wire connected to the black wire of the relay. And I don't know if you can see the blue wire, the relay switch, the blue wire. Sorry, you cannot see the blue wire. This is the negative, so also together connected to the body of the car, the ground. So uh, there's a video in this one on YouTube on how to wire a relay, because a relay have 5 pins, so it has different numbers. So I follow that one on YouTube. Thanks for that uploader, and it works. So guys, for detailed explanation of a relay, just watch full video of relay installation in YouTube. You can find it many videos. Also this fog lamp switch, there's also a video of fog lamp switch in YouTube, explanation, the full details for these 4 wires. So also I only copy it from the YouTube upload. Okay, so now we will test if rear fog lamp switch works. So now we're going to connect to the switch. This is just a clip. That's it. Now we're gonna switch on the accessories now to see if the fog lamp switch have light indicator. So now you can see the buzzer sound because the door is open. Now you see it has a yellow light or orange light, like that. But the fog lamp switch is not yet on. It's just an indicator. I will check at the back to verify. As you can see, still there's no light. Now we're going to switch it on. See, the power indicator is this small LED bar, LED line. So the bottom is just a accessories indicator, and the second one is the light switch on indicator. Now let's check at the back. So now it's working, it's switched on. So it's switched off again. No more light. So that's how I installed the rear fog lamp of Montero Sport 2016. I'm just gonna return this panel cover. So if you have more questions, just put in the comment box or hit like buttons for more videos. Thank you.